how to restore Snapchat streak for free. So if you want to restore your Snapchat streak for free, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application, and after that go with your chats. Now under your chats, if you have any streak that is about to expire, like here you will have the restore option, right? So if you want to restore, then you just need simply tap on restore and tap on restore. Here it says that I have 5 free restores available. So you will get 5 restores for a month, and if you've used your 5 restores, then you won't be able to use that restore again after a month. So make sure to use your restores wisely. So if you want to restore, just simply tap on restore, which is on the bottom, and your streak will be restored. If it says that 0 restores available, then it means that you've already used all of your restores and you just need simply wait for a whole month. But if you don't find the restore option, then you just need simply go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and tap on settings, which is on the top right. And now you need to scroll down and you will have an option. And here you will have support and feedback section. And under that you will have I lost my Snap streak. So you just need to simply go with an option of how do I restore my Snap streak, and here you will get the information. Or you can just simply go back and then go with the second option, and here you need to tap on Android if you're using an Android device, and scroll down and tap on contact us, and you can sign in with your Google account, and you'll get a form to fill up, and you can fill the form. So most probably the first solution will work with you. So you will have 5 restores. You can simply go and restore your Snapchat streak for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.